So this is for the renaming of columns. Now what about rows? Let's just check. If it's rows, it's still the same approach. Okay. Now let's do this. I want us to proceed. So let's take a look at this here. I made mention that using this approach will not save it. So if you want to make it persistent, you have to use the in place equals true argument as well, which I did here as well. You can try that and let me know what you got. Okay. So with the renaming of rows to the same thing, you create your dictionary and then you just proceed with that. Okay. So let's do this. Let's say you want to rename this. So this one here, engine. Okay, this one here, this was an error. Okay, it was deliberate because I want to use it to show you how to rename indices. So the engine here is supposed to be NB, right? It's supposed to be NB. So if I want to rename it, then I can just say, let me just do it here. For now, I'll just use this new one. So I'll just say name dict, or let's say row. Let me do this new row names because I bring my in brackets. I'll say engine is MB. Okay, so engine I change to MB. So there's naive base. All right, so I'll create this dictionary, new row names, and then this is what I'm going to do. I am now going to say df dot rename, and then I'll bring my new row names objects, comma, and I'll say as this equals 0, like this. All right, so that's as this equals 0, and then this time, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to save the changes. So I'll just say in place equals true, like this. All right, so let's execute this command. Perfect. So if you bring the in place, then it's not going to display. I repeat, if you bring the in place equals true, then the results will not be displayed for you. You have to do it yourself. So you can say df, and this will display it for you. So now you notice it has been changed to NB. All right, so this is so cool. Okay, so that's it. Now let's proceed.